Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and if you want to match any transactions on your bank feed on QuickBooks Online, then this video is for you. So let's get started. First thing you have to do is log into your QuickBooks Online by your login credentials, your email address and password. So once you have added those credentials and logged into your QuickBooks account, you can find the dashboard at the left, the dashboard here, and at the left side navigation section you can find the transactions. So go to the bank transactions, and once you have connected your bank account with your QuickBooks Online, then QuickBooks will download all the data, all the transactions of your bank that you are making or you have just made. So from here you can find that some transactions are already categorized or need to categorize, and also some are matched already. So if you want to match more of them, or somehow QuickBooks won't be able to match them with your existing category and you want to add it manually, so you have to do is simply click on the match button here, or simply click on these transactions anywhere. Then once you have to click on the transactions, so where you can find a match, so where you can find that what here it will show you the match if found. So simply click on match button here. So once you have clicked on it, the AI of QuickBooks help you to find out the perfect category that you can use to categorize that exact amount or exact transaction details into that category. So you can simply click on it, or if it's not finding, or it is not able to find that exact category that you want, so you can simply click on find other matches. So simply click on it and you can match them with your existing or your expected category by yourself manually. So also you can find some actions where you can find the match button if it's matched, or you can simply click on this drop down button here where you can find the match button. Simply click on match and it will automatically match that categorize. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.